This is the best and cheapest FPV bundle you can buy. This is why. My name is FPEZ. I've reviewed 3 cheap bundles so far. The Blue Shark, the Shark, Emax Easy Pilot, only one, and this is the last one, Beta FPV. This one is the best. Beta FPV is the best and cheapest FPV bundle for beginners. There's 3 reasons why. 1, this is the cheapest one that actually flies like an FPV drone. It allows you to go into 3 different modes. There's normal mode, sport mode, and manual mode. Normal mode is like how those other 2 FPV drones flew around. In normal mode, you can just fly it up and it will maintain its own altitude. It's very, very easy to fly. Sport mode is just a little quicker in my opinion. The only main difference is that you have to control the altitude of it. But otherwise it's still quite easy to fly. If you go into manual mode, then it's completely acro mode and it's like flying an FPV drone. It's difficult. I crashed a bunch of times just in the house here. And then lastly, the biggest, most important part is that this controller can be used to fly in a simulator. That's where you're gonna get your real practice. I mean, you'll get it if you fly this drone around, but you wanna do all your practicing in the simulator. So that's the biggest thing. That's where you wanna do all your practicing. That's where you'll get better. This bundle is the best one to get if you're a beginner and want a taste of what it's like to fly a little acro drone, but really need a cheap remote controller to start flying in a simulator. The one that I was using is called Velocidrone. It's one of the cheaper simulators. It costs about 20 bucks and you can use it on a Mac or Windows. But yeah, I think that's about it. Maybe one of your friends is interested in FPV and you want to give them a pretty kind of cool gift. I totally recommend this as a gift for someone who's interested in FPV stuff. Yeah, the last thing again, I don't need this drone. So if you're willing to pay for shipping, I'll send it to you. This is a good one to get.